Crazy Creative Kitchen. Welcome back to the kitchen. Welcome back to the vibe. Welcome back to my series of stay home recipes. I took a break and I made my Hennessy shot slash Jello shot slash my Drake remix. So if you didn't check that out, check it out. It's on the channel. So back to my stay home recipes, back to my vibe. So today I'm gonna work with some today I'm gonna make pork bellies, and I follow those pork bellies recipe on YouTube. I figure, why should you watch this video? Why should you check out this recipe? You should check out this recipe because personally I don't eat pork, but I am one killer on pork recipes. I make really good pork recipes. My pork belly recipe, I use my cowboy barbecue rub. I put a little on my, well, you have to watch the video to get. I'm not gonna give you all the information on the front of the video. So stick around, watch till the end, and I'm gonna tell you how step by step how I make my pork belly recipe. So the first thing I do is I cut up my pork belly into bite-sized pieces. I take my cowboy. I'm in love with this cowboy barbecue rub. So for the dry rub, that's what I'm using. I'm using this cowboy barbecue rub. So I take my jerk sauce, and if you haven't seen my jerk sauce recipe, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can check that out. So I take my jerk sauce and I cut it with olive oil and honey. So that's what I do. I cut the jerk sauce with olive oil and honey because I want my pork belly to be stickity. Yeah, I want them to be sticky. I want them to mess up your fingers when you're eating them. So I cut my jerk sauce with olive oil, honey, and pineapple juice. So after I do that, I marinate my pork belly. I set them aside 2-3 hours, you know the deal. And then after I marinate and I do all that stuff, what I do is I just don't bake them in a pan. I put them on a griddle, put them in a pan. Then so I put them on a griddle, put them in a pan. Then I put my stock on the bottom, and then I cover, put them in my oven. I think it takes hour and a half, and it's like you just get that fantastic results. And you know me and that fantastic result. So if you didn't know what I was talking about when I say I put them on a griddle, because I mean you're in the house but you want to be outside, so I want to give you that vibe. So that's what we do. We put the pork belly on that griddle, and those are cheap. You could get those at the dollar store. Those are cheap. So what's gonna happen is when you cover it and you put the juice on the bottom, it's gonna give you that outdoor vibe, because what we're trying to get is we're trying to get that outdoor vibe. So that's what we do. We put it in our oven, and as I said, hour and a half, and you just get that fantastic results. So as I said, stick around for the end of the video, and if you haven't checked out my jerk sauce, because it's my jerk sauce recipes way back, links in the description. If you haven't seen my Jello shot, go check that out. It's on the channel. It's not in the stay home series of videos, because I just took a break from the stay home series of videos. So what you want to do is you want to, like, say 45 minutes in, check them, then you want to baste them, take that juice, baste them a little bit, and then put them back in, cover them back up, put them back in, let them cook. And as I said, it takes like an hour and a half. You want to slow cook these babies, you don't want to rush it. And then like hour and 20 in, what you want to do is take that juice, pour it over, get that vibe, and then you want to put it back in your oven, let them finish, let them crisp up, let them get nice glossy, nice stickity, and then you're good to go. And as always, you like this video, you like this vibe, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Crazy Creative Kitchen is a vibe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Stay home, stay safe.